sila ICC. ICC sa imong kagaral. ICC mo itong korte ron. Tuwa sa The Hague.
I already have made my statement. I pray for. I'm encouraging everyone to pray for her. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not really easy. But she's strong. She can get over with it. She has lawyers. And I know it's not the first time. It's the first time. She needs our prayers. I already...
Questions?
Si MCW Chairman Deluz kay
Ay punto yun, nga hatagan tong pagtagad mga sukid di paminaw. Ano ka sa doon ay punto yun, nga hatagan tong pagtagad mga sukid di paminaw. Oh, kay ug imo kong hulgaon, nga basta hilabtan si Gwen, basta mo komentaryo ang Gwen, bisag kinsa mo komentaryo ni Gwen, kuan gyud kuno niya, maigo gyud kuno niya.
Hello, mo attend?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I had really a lot of prior engagements also. Paid for other activities as well as, of course, my own rally permit. A rally or not, it was more of a convergence between Bugumutong letter and Inagibutang. It is a celebration. That's the general term that is being used. But I don't think it was really a rally mo Inagibutang. It was more of a convergence between Partido Barug Bugumutong letter and Inagibutang.
You're a very bright person. Both of you. You're not using your heads anymore. No. I'm sorry. We
So you're
do
suspended.
not recognize both of you.
We will not recognize
Then get out because you're City Hall employee.
No.
Suspended.
Suspended ka. You are suspended.
Please get out.
No. You get out.
You get out.
You get out.
You get out.
Just sit down.
Get out.
Okay.
So,
Just relax.
so Jim,
You take command.
you take command. Take command for you.
afternoon. Bubot kayo gano. Amo.
Not listen.
Amukan ko. Ito sabihin mo tuunin mo siya.
No. Let's not listen.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's not listen.
At least you're being installed.
Yawo.
No
Tagasid ka
power. You don't have the power.
Who has the power?
I'm sure it's not you.
I'm sure it's not you too.
I did not install anyone.
It's not you too.
I did not install anyone.
Now, Loa installed him. I hope you know and you understand what Loa means. So, JM, you have the floor. Yeah, the board is here. The entire board is also here.
Aleric, you are here. Ito dito.
I think we talk about the conference room because this is not.
Yeah.
You ready? How are you? Hi. Yung old friend. Okay. You ready? Hi. Thank you.
Hello, I am a. Hello. Where's Lago?
Ibigay na tayo makita sa rin. Ay, magiging aning na sitwasyon na. Ano, itanda rin tayo. Kaya ito, trabaho ko niya ito. Sige.
They'll go open. Open. Okay. Wala po yung kada sa GMA, isira na. Isira na diya. Ipa-kuha di open.
Abling nyo.
Abling ba? So,
I miss my office! Kung wala mag-naon ako. Ano ka lang kayo? Anyway, yun lang. Let's start for the issue. Okay?
ako'y gibuhat ninyo. Look at that. You are standing and you are all armed. Ako naglingkod na rin na risk. No? Ipaliw ko kung ano i-live na.
We are police
I-live na, i-live. Sige, i-live. I-live ninyo. No. No. Posible na. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun.
Buyog na lang.
Ayun na. Ayun na. Sa manit. Ayun. Sige na po, ne. Dili na gina kay na ako'y daghan nga rin ang ibuhat. No? Ako'y daghan nga rin ibuhat. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun na. Huli mo. Break in the police station. Ako mga punta. Ako mga punta secure. Victory. Secure ang damit, ha?
For the others who are not authorized to be here inside, please vacate the premises. After this,
All properties are cleared and attached. Do not open laptop.